How to fix why you can't send friend requests to someone on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll talk about why you cannot send friend requests to certain persons on Facebook. So let us begin. First, open up your Facebook. Now, there are many reasons why you can't send friend requests to someone. The first can be that they are a media personality. So for example, if I go to Facebook and search for Elon Musk or someone like Mark Zuckerberg, as you can see on their profile that there is no option to send them a friend request. Now this is because they do not really have an account for themselves. They use it as a page, so you cannot send a friend request to them. The other reason is you might have blocked someone on your Facebook. Now to see that, go to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down. Now let it load for a while, and after it loads you will see an option called blocking. Now scroll down, and under your audience and visibility you will see the blocking section. Tap on blocking. Now here you will get the list of people that you have blocked. If you have blocked someone, you cannot send friend requests to them. Now this works vice versa too. If they have blocked you, you cannot send friend requests to them either. Now the last reason is that they have enabled privacy security settings, which enables them to not get sent friend request. It's only a one-way process. If they send you a friend request, you can accept it, but you cannot send them your friend requests. So that is why you can't send friend requests, and there is no particular fix to this. And that is basically all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.